Know if this video found you, this message is for you. Living a meaningful life is not just about achieving your goals. It's so much more than that. It's about emotional fulfillment. This is why so many people achieve their goals and still feel empty, because they prioritized an outcome. They didn't prioritize emotional fulfillment and soul connection. And I'm going to tell you right now, it's easy to receive outcomes, okay? There is a process to it. There is a formula. You want the person, there's a way to get them. You want the money, the job, the house. If you lock in, I know you will get it. But once you do, what happens then? Life is not just about ticking boxes. It's about really meeting your soul and actually feeling safe within your body to live your desired life. The way you can experience emotional fulfillment anywhere you are in life is by shifting your focus. So instead of focusing on the outcome, on the external thing, you focus on how you feel. You focus on the impact that you are making to yourself and the people around you. There is a shift happening, I believe, in the manifesting world right now. People are learning to manifest from a place of wholeness and abundance and not lack. And what does it mean to manifest from lack, right? It's manifesting from a space of not good enough. It's manifesting from a space of insecurity. And I think it works temporarily, but long term, it feels very unsatisfying because you're placing so much importance on the thing, on something outside of you to fix you and to make you feel something different. And long term, that just doesn't work. You will realize that desires don't complete you. The person doesn't complete you. The job, the money, the career, it doesn't do anything beyond temporary excitement. What will actually make you feel emotionally fulfilled is your relationship to yourself and your life. You have to build an inner world so rich, so full, so connected to your soul that no matter what manifests, you're already whole. The work is not measured by you manifesting the thing. The work is in making sure you feel emotionally safe and happy with the person that you're becoming, because what matters is who you become in the journey of receiving that desire. It's not about the desire itself. You will learn this once you actually get what you want, because this exact thing happened to me last year. I got it all, right? The money, the job, the person, and I still felt something missing. And that's because I never prioritized myself. I never prioritized the journey. I only cared about getting the thing and not about my relationship to myself and my life. So trust me when I say you don't just want the outcome. You want the feeling you think it will bring. And deep down, you really just want a joyful, abundant, free life. And I promise you, you can have that without your desire. Like you can actually have it right now. That's the real manifestation.